It is the largest employer in Portland, and now millions of dollars and hundreds of jobs are at risk. The Trump administration ordering massive cuts to medical research funding, including up at Oregon Health Science University. Today, workers rallied to draw attention to the funding fight, now in federal court later this week. Lisa Balick, live in South Portland, digging deeper into all these concerns. Lisa?
Yeah, there is a lot of worry around here, no question about it. From the research arm, from the researchers, the staff members. Even though the judge has issued a temporary restraining order for the cuts, they could still happen.
Stand up, fight back!
Many here are part of the backbone of research at OHSU, support staff for the scientists. They say if their funding is cut drastically, medical research is in trouble.
They will see is that the rate of new discoveries stops. There will be no universal flu vaccine. There will be no bird flu vaccine. Heart disease research, cancer research is going to stall right where it is now.
Medical research operations like OHSU have agreements with the National Institutes of Health that in addition to direct funding, they also get money for administration, lab maintenance, accounting, research staff, utilities. But the NIH cuts would slash that support money by almost 75%. Teresa is a grants and contracts coordinator for OHSU brain scientists.
Your job then is one of the ones that's sort of in the bullseye.
Quite directly, yes, indeed. So that and pretty much the entire office, the indirect cost rate that's being threatened is supporting all of us as staff who support the faculty, as well as the facilities that keep everybody housed, cleaning the toilets, emptying the trash, reimbursing for business travel, purchasing equipment and supplies for research.
The pressing concern is that this cut could be effective immediately in the middle of contracts where hundreds of millions of dollars in funding was promised and is being spent.
Now, keep in mind, this coming Friday, just a couple of days from now, a federal judge is expected to hear a challenge to these cuts that was put before him between Oregon's Attorney General and 20 some odd other attorneys generals from around the country. He will decide, hopefully, whether or not to go ahead with the cuts or to make that temporary hold permanent. We'll be following this very closely. Live in South Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah, folks following that closely. Thanks, Lisa.